Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this really cute green flower with a bead. For this we'll use a green cotton yarn. To start, let's make a slip knot. And I use my fingers for the first step, and then I just place that on the hook. And then from here, what we're going to do is we'll take a smaller hook, place the bead on the hook, grab the yarn, and then carefully pull it through to the other side. And now we have these two loops. You can tighten it gently and then go back to the other hook. And what we're going to do next is just make one stitch and then pass it through both loops. Okay, so now we have the yarn surrounding all sides of the bead. From here we're going to make 6 single crochets. This first one is always a little bit tricky, so just carefully pass the hook in that space between the bead and the yarn. Grab the yarn, pull through until you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and then pull through both. And again, we're going to do that 6 times on each side of the bead. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more, 6 single crochets. Okay, and now we're going to move over to the other side of the bead, and again this first one is always a little bit tight, so you just carefully get that hook in there, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete the single crochets. And I'll tighten a little bit because it's actually getting a little loose, and I have one more to go. And then the last one, you're gonna go and do a slip stitch into the very first chain you see over here. Okay, so now we have completed the slip stitch and we've gone all the way around. We're going to do 3 chains to start the second round, and then a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into that next stitch, and I'm going to crochet that tail end. So make sure it's on top of the hook. Pull through until you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Again, go into the same stitch and do another double crochet. And then the last step for the petal, 3 more chains, and then you're going to do a slip stitch into the next stitch right there. If you take a look closely, make sure that last one is in the next stitch. And slip stitch. Okay, here's my first petal. Now we're going to begin the second petal. Again, 3 chains, and then a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Again, a double crochet in the same stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and 3 chains, and then we're going to do a slip stitch into the next one. Oops, I lost it. And that's my second petal. Okay, so we're going to keep going around just the same way. 3 chains, double crochet into the next stitch, one more double crochet into the same stitch, three chains, and then slip stitch into the next one. Okay, next 3 chains, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, three chains, and then slip stitch into the next one. And let's keep going until we finish the petals. I have one more petal left. Oops, I lost it again. That happens. 3 chains, then 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and 3 chains, and then slip stitch into that last space left. From here, oops, from here we're going to pull out the yarn, and we're finished with the flower. Let's cut the yarn, and then we're going to hide them in the back, hide that tail end. And for that, the easiest thing to do really is a crochet needle. However, I can't find my needle, so I'm going to use just the smaller crochet hook. It is much easier with the needle though. Sometimes this one can be a little tricky, but I think I managed to do it. Let's do it a couple of times. And then I think that's enough. Let's cut the yarn, and we can cut the other one too because we already crocheted it, and that's it. Here is the flower. Now what you can do is you can make this into earrings if you like. One way is to attach a very simple hook, earring hook to it, or you can glue one of those earring studs as well. But yeah, that's the flower. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.